Hey Tom, this is RJ Bates calling about your property on Marshall Circle. How are you doing?
Good. You're a little muffled. I didn't catch all of what you said.
Oh, I was calling about your property there on Marshall Circle. You had entered it on my website saying that you were looking to sell. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Excellent. How much are you looking to get for that property?
About 130.
130. All right. Tell me a little bit about what's going on with the property.
Well, tenants moved out yesterday
Gotcha.
and need some work on it.
Just normal wear and tear from tenants, or what are we looking at?
No, there's a little bit more of some buckling in the floor.
From foundation or what?
Well, it's not crawl space.
Gotcha.
So.
But is it like what do you think is causing the buckling?
I think there was a water leak underneath the house.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
All right. What else besides that?
Not much that I can think of, but then I hadn't really been in it, so.
Right. All right. Let me see here. How much were those tenants paying monthly?
Oh, he was getting a deal. He was paying $850.
I got you.
They'd probably rent for 12 or 13. He'd been in there since 2015, I think.
Gotcha. All right, give me just a few minutes here. So, what's got you wanting to sell? Just because they moved out and you just don't want to fix it up?
Yeah, I don't mess with it.
I got you. Cash only, no seller finance or anything like that.
Nope.
Huh. Out of curiosity, how did you come up with the price of 130?
That's the number I like. You know.
Already?
Yeah. I figure if it was fixed up, it'd go close to 2, maybe 180 to 200, something like that.
Just trying to look at it from two different aspects. One, if we're gonna keep it as a rental, we're paying 130, and then we fix it up. We kind of push ourselves out of a cash flow position there. So really, our only play is kind of to fix it up and sell it. So just looking around and seeing what these other properties that sold for a higher amount, what they looked like when they were finished. it's kind of strange. Some of them are really nice, and then other ones they didn't do a whole lot to them. Is this property is only 925 square feet, right?
Yeah, it's not too big. It's a nice big double garage, though. It's probably almost as big as the house.
Yeah, I see it back there. What about the roof? Has that been replaced, or is it still that brown roof?
I would say nothing's been done to it lately.
Okay. Let me see here. All right. I don't want to keep you waiting forever, so let me give you. I think I need to be closer to like 115, 120, to be honest with you.
Mm-hmm.
You know, 925 square feet. It's not big, but taking care of the buckling there. And then, you know, like you said, not much has been done to it recently. Just taking into account for like a full cosmetic rehab there.
Mm-hmm.
Feel pretty comfortable at, you know, like I said, 115, 120.
Okay, that's tempting. So what's the next step?
Well, the next step would be if you're okay with those numbers, I send over a contract to you. You sign the contract. We come out. We do our walkthrough. We open up title. And we get the thing closed inside of June. Pretty seamless process.
Okay. The property is actually my sister's name, I think. So go ahead and send me over the paperwork.
Let me just look here real quick to make sure I got her name and stuff. Let me pull this up on a different site. Jody.
Yep.
Okay. All right. I will send that over to you. When I send it over to you, just make sure that, you know, she's the one that signs it. But outside of that, I'll send it over to you probably in about half hour. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, Tom. Appreciate you.
Okay. You bet.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay. That was a weird one. I always find it strange when people just don't want to talk. Like if he had actually given me a better explanation on the price, I might have been better on my price.